Hello everyone, my name is Faye Smith. I'm the owner of Faye Smith Agency and I am here to tell you about one of our newest products on our online shop, Beauty Cosmetics 3-in-1 Brow Pencil. Well, it's not a brow pencil, it's like brow gel, brow powder and brow pencil all in one. So here she is, the 3-in-1 brow pencil. This is the newest addition to my online shop and retail at Primp & Proper, which is my beauty salon in Gastown, Vancouver, Canada. This product is simply amazing. I love the line Beauty Cosmetics, which I discovered very recent. It is a line from Vancouver, which I love. Her very first product is the brow soap, which I've made a video about brow soap before, and I absolutely love my fluffy brows. She actually created that product just by experimenting in her garage, which I think is amazing, and I am so encouraging her to continue on developing her line. This is her latest and greatest, the 3-in-1 brow pencil. So we've got our tinted brow gel on this side here. On the other side is the pencil, which I love the shape of it too. It's not round, it's like rectangular, which I find is great for getting the brush strokes. And then in the middle you get your third product, so you unscrew right here, and this is your brow powder. So with this one product, you can literally create any kind of brow that you fancy, and I don't know if you're like me, but I have my brow moods. One day I might feel like a fluffy brow, another day I might want to do something much more light and natural, you know, if I just want to go out the house to the grocery store or something and I don't want to look too done. And then sometimes I want to go all out with a full sculpted brow. So this will create absolutely everything for you, and I will demo it for you right now. It is available in 4 shades: light coffee, dark brown, and ebony, which pretty much covers every color of brow that you could possibly need to do. Everything from super light blonde to a really dark brown black color. None of the colors have any orange tone or red tone in them. They're all very ashy, which I love. Let's get going and I'll show you how to use this product. So this is me much closer. And I'm gonna use my super fancy mirror to guide me here. I'm gonna use the brow pencil first. I'm gonna show you all of the products, but I'm gonna do 2 different kinds of brows. So I'm gonna draw along the bottom of my brow here. That's kind of how I always begin. Then I'm gonna turn my pencil not horizontal, vertical. And I'm gonna draw little brush strokes going up. And these are gonna make my hair, like kind of mimic the hairs here. And then I'm gonna draw across, just drawing those little brush strokes in the direction where the hair grows. And honestly, I could leave it if I wanted to, but I'm going to use the brow powder just to fill in any little gaps. So that the brow powder is the product that's in the middle. And it's kind of like a little spongy brush, and it's got the brow powder inside. And what I'm gonna do is just dust that on, and it's just gonna fill in any of the little gaps and finish up my brow for me. They're almost like little brow fibers. Okay, so on the other side, let me show you a different style of brow. I'm going to use tinted brow gel, which is really awesome. I do find that this brow gel has quite a lot of pigment in, so go easy. Don't just whack it on, because you'll find that you get a bit of a mess. But you're basically wanting to coat your brow hairs much like you coat your lashes with mascara. Oopsie. And the gel is going to control like where the hairs actually go, and then the color is gonna color them in. And so that side is a much fluffier kind of look. So there you have it. You got all your different brow products all in one cruelty-free brow product here. So it retails for 25 Canadian dollars. You can get it on our online shop, primpandproper.com. Highly recommend you try it, whatever type of brow product that you like to use. So thanks everyone for watching this quick brow product tutorial. I hope you guys love the beauty cosmetics as much as I do. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure to follow us. And if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you guys.